I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fucks. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, little slut?
YouTube, man, what it do? What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video on the channel. It's your boy Q50 Reggie. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we will be doing 5 things I should have known before I bought this Q50. Or 5 things you should know before you buy a Q50. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Right now I am on the way to a parking garage so I can get a better like scenery slash like my thoughts together. So I don't gotta do it while I'm driving because I will be all over the place if I was to talk while driving. So y'all boys stay tuned to the y'all boys stay tuned to the video. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all boys in like 1 second. Alright y'all, so I guess it's been an accident, so that's what's been holding me up. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Tesla, damn. Bro, I've been in that little line for like 10 minutes now, bro. Like 10-15 minutes. That shit crazy. They blocked the whole intersection off. It looked like the Tesla probably T-boned somebody, because I see somebody on the side of the road with like they driver door fucked up. Like they rear driver door looked like it was fucked up. So I guess looked like the Tesla probably T-boned them at the light or something. Cause that Tesla whole front end is gone. Like that shit look total. But yeah, we right here by the parking garage. And I'm hungry. So I'm about to do this video for y'all real quick. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go get some food because I need to fuel the system, you feel me? So, ooh, that blue Tesla, nice. Let's see. They like to kick people out of this parking garage. So hopefully I don't get kicked out today. Let's see. Turn the music off so I don't get copyrighted. Throw my glasses on so I can see. Ooh. You know, these lower cars, you gotta take your time, but these shits are scrape like crazy. I haven't been in this parking garage in about a year now. It's been like a year and some change since the last time I've been in this parking garage. I remember I had came in here to get some pictures. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, resident entrance. What the hell? Oh, snap. Oh my god. My brakes sound like that. Damn, I don't remember them blocking us off like that. Alright y'all, so I done found the parking garage and we at the rooftop, but I feel like they gonna kick me out. So it's only a certain amount of time I might have up here, so we about to just try to enjoy it. So not enjoy it, but I'm gonna try to get this little video in for y'all real quick. Hopefully they don't kick me out though, cause I I really hope I don't get kicked out. Cause I'm not doing nothing bad. I'm just about to record a little YouTube video real quick. Alright y'all, so this is my 2019 Infiniti Q50S. And I'm basically gonna break down 5 reasons why you should get this car and 5 things I should have known before I got this car. So number 1, I'm gonna start with the things I should have known before I got this car. So number 1, the gas, bro. The gas on this car is like a fucking V8. I filled this car up about 3 days ago and we already at half. Yeah, I'm slowly going broke with this car, but it's okay because it's worth it. I ain't gonna lie, it's worth going broke for it. No, it's not. Number 2, I'm gonna say the maintenance. The maintenance, bro. Oh my God, maintenance is a big key factor when it comes to these cars right here. You have to replace your spark plugs, oil changes every 2,000 to 3,000 miles, transmission flushes, all type of like crazy, not crazy, but all type of like stuff to keep your engine maintained. This is a VR30, so this takes a lot more to keep maintained than a 3.7. So you have to know what you're doing. My bad if I keep looking around. I'm just trying to make sure no security sneak up on us like the last time I did a video similar to this. Number 3, I would say the aftermarket value. No. I should have done more research. That's the 3rd thing I should have known before I got this car. More research. I should have done more research. I could have got this car for a way better price. I got this car for $32,000, bro. I know it's crazy. I could have got this car for under 20. After I got this car, I seen this the same exact spec, same exact color, everything. I even see Red Sports for like 20K, 15K, 15 to 25K. I got this car for $32,000, bro. Don't be like me. Do not do that at all, bro. Don't get this car for no more than $27,000, bro. If it's not brand new off the lot, cause boy. But I also can't be mad because I have never had any major problems with this car. Thank God, boy. Number 4, I would say, I ain't gonna lie, I would say the aftermarket value. The aftermarket value is like they got a lot of stuff that you can do. And ever since I got the car, I just been adding stuff to the list. Before I had got this car, I just had I just wanted to all black murdered out look. That's all I really wanted. And then custom headlights at first. But then as I got the car and I started seeing more and more stuff, well, I'm trying to get a wrap, I'm trying to get bags, I'm trying to get a big brake kit. Bro, there's so much stuff that you can do to this car, bro. There's so much stuff that you can do to this car. Number 5 on what I should have known before I got this car is how big the community is. How big the Infiniti community is. It's crazy, bro. I never knew I would grow so much because of this car right here. And I appreciate y'all so much for that because y'all done put money in my pocket. Y'all done made me able to afford this camera that I'm recording on right now. Y'all done gave me like a little support base that I fuck with, bro. Like, I never would have thought that I would never thought that I would be doing car content on YouTube for real. I just wanted to be like a lifestyle vlogger, but that don't really be working like that. So I'm glad I got into the community, into the car community, because it's only up from here. With vlogs, with lifestyle vlogs, I could add it to the car stuff, you feel me? But with cars, man, I could start with the Q, and then I can end up with a Lamborghini tomorrow.
Whoa, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Tight. Not saying I could do that. It's not possible for me, but not right now at least. But I'm trying to see myself in a C8, bro. I'm trying to get a video in a C8 for y'all, man. And I'm trying to do it for myself too, but it's only gonna come with time. So y'all boys just stay down, stay consistent with what y'all do, what y'all believe in. And I'm about to get into the 5 reasons why you should get a Q50. Alright, y'all, so I'm back on my 5 reasons why you should get a Q50. I had to type it in my notes because I lost my train of thought for a second because I keep looking around to make sure no security is watching me. So for my first reason, I put it's a good looking car. As you can tell, it is a pretty swell car, if I should say so myself. You see, I done did the full package. I done got the custom headlights done by me. If you need some custom headlights, tap in with me. I do custom headlights, especially for ones in Miami, Florida. Reliable prices too. So I got the custom headlights, RGB logo, RGB front bumper sequentials. You can't really tell, but I got the tinted ones, and then I got the tinted mirrors too. And then as you go to the inside, see my car is fully blacked out. I got a spoiler, roof spoiler, blacked out everything, custom plate, diffuser. I have everything in this car. I have everything pretty much. I got the ambient lighting. I had the Tesla screen, but I had to take it out because it was messed up. I got the carbon steering wheel. I'm getting carbon paddles soon. Like, it's a very good looking car. Like, there's so much you can do to these cars. And yeah, so pretty much, yeah, it's a good looking car. Number 2, I put it's affordable and fast. So if you get the 3.0T, it'll take off. I ain't gonna lie. The 3.0Ts take off, but you have to be careful because of the turbos. They will blow on you. If you got a 3.7, it's not as fast, but it does have some. I ain't gonna lie, 3.7, I'm gonna get into it, but 3.7s is really good too. Number 3, I put great aftermarket parts. As you can see by what I showed y'all, the aftermarket support on these cars is crazy. Like, I can't wait to get a carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon front bumper. I want a carbon trunk. Like, it's just so much that I want to do. You can also go air suspension, get Nismo wheels, all type. It's so much stuff you could do to this car. Like, it's insane, bro. I think for the interior, I'm pretty much done. I showed y'all already, but yeah, for the most part, I'm pretty much done. I got the stars and all that stuff too, but you know, that's really nothing for real. Number 4, I put it's reliable. So, like I told y'all earlier, when I got my car at the dealership for $32,000, I think they just replaced the turbos. I'm not too sure, but this car has never given me any major problems since I got it. And you know, a lot of people that get 3.0Ts, they turbos blow out, they turbos go. But I feel like as long as you keep up with your maintenance, your turbos will be fine. I know some people keep up with maintenance and their turbos still blow, but I guess that's just their luck, for real, for real. But if you want reliability, the 3.7s is where it's at, for real, because, you know, people be getting flame tunes and all type of stuff like that. Like, I know a couple people that got 3.7s and they shoot flames and it sounds really good. But you just have to have the right exhaust for the 3.7s. Like the ARC exhaust, it sounds really good. I know a couple people that have the ARC exhaust and it sounds really, really, really good. So if you get a 3.7, just know you can spit flames and all that stuff. If you get a 3.0T, just know you're gonna be fast, but you gotta be careful so your turbos don't blow. And for number 5, I put it fits your drive style. So the Q50s come with 2 options. It comes in an all-wheel drive and a rear-wheel drive, and it also comes in a 3.0T and a 3.7. So if you want to be fast but not as reliable, get a 3.0. If you want to be reliable but not as fast, get a 3.7. You know, both sound really good. You just have to have the right exhaust. And they also come with rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. This is a rear-wheel drive, so you know, I used to do donuts and stuff, but I kind of stopped once I lowered the car. But yeah, man, yeah, just it fits your drive style. So if you like all-wheel drive cars, get the all-wheel drive version. If you like rear-wheel drive, if you like doing like burnouts and stuff like that, get the rear-wheel drive. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm about to get up out of here. Hopefully I done encouraged y'all enough to want to buy a Q50. So y'all boys stay tuned to the video. Y'all boys follow me on Instagram. If y'all need custom headlights, DM me. If you're in Miami and got a Q50, DM me. I'm about to start doing Dodge Chargers and Challengers really soon as well. So yeah, man, y'all boys tap in. We about to get a couple pictures before we get up out of here. About to get a nice little thumbnail. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned to the channel. I love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.